What if I told you, your favorite car brand might be lying to you? That the logo you proudly wear on your keychain might actually represent one of the worst performing car companies in the world today? Sounds shocking, right? But after months of digging through real owner reviews, long-term reliability data, industry reports, and even whistleblower leaks, what I discovered completely changed how I see the entire automotive world. From luxury brands pretending to be perfect to budget cars outperforming giants, the truth is wild. So, in today's video, I'll reveal the official ranking of all major car brands, from the absolute worst disasters to the brands that truly deserve your money. Some names will break your heart, others will blow your mind. So buckle up, because this ride's about to get controversial. Number 20, the bottom of the barrel, Fiat. We start our list at the bottom, Fiat. A name once iconic in Italy, now synonymous with breakdowns and repair bills. Fiat cars are known for their quirky designs and compact size, but that's where the charm ends. The reality? Poor reliability, flimsy interiors, and sky-high maintenance costs. Owners often joke that Fiat stands for fix it again tomorrow, and sadly, that's not far from the truth. If you want a cute city car that breaks your heart faster than your wallet, Fiat's waiting. Otherwise, drive away, fast. Number 19, Mitsubishi, the ghost of its former glory. Remember when Mitsubishi made rally legends like the Lancer Evolution? Those days are gone. Mitsubishi's decline has been tragic. Once the face of performance and engineering excellence, it's now reduced to selling outdated SUVs that feel stuck in 2012. The saddest part? The Lancer Evolution could have been their crown jewel. Instead, it was killed off, leaving behind a void that Mitsubishi never filled. It's a painful reminder that even legends can fall when innovation dies. #18, Jeep, the adventure brand that's losing its way. Jeep built its legacy on toughness, born in war, bred for adventure. But today? That legacy is cracking under modern expectations. While the Jeep still looks rugged and exciting, the truth under the hood tells another story. People still want to love Jeep. The nostalgia is strong. But when your car spends more time in the repair shop than on the trails, that rugged charm wears thin. Number 17, Nissan, lost in its own shadow. Nissan used to be a symbol of dependable engineering. Cars like the Altima and Skyline set new standards. But in the last decade, Nissan's reputation nosedived. Why? Cheap interiors, CVT transmission failures, and a series of poor leadership decisions. Nissan's problem isn't ability, it's direction. They've forgotten what made them great, driving passion. Until they rediscover that spirit, Nissan stays stuck in the middle of the road, literally and metaphorically. Number 16, Chevrolet, big dreams, bigger disappointments. Chevy fans might not like this, but truth hurts. While Chevrolet still produces powerful cars like the C. Like the Corvette and Silverado, the brand struggles with consistency. For every success story, there's a disaster waiting to happen. Chevrolet still has loyal fans, but loyalty only lasts so long when the product doesn't. It's time for Chevy to evolve or risk becoming a museum piece. Number 15, Volkswagen, beauty hiding the beast. On the surface, Volkswagen cars are beautiful, clean designs, German engineering, luxurious interiors. But peel back the surface, and you'll find a history of scandals and reliability nightmares. The 2015 Dieselgate scandal exposed VW's dark side, where they faked emissions tests to sell millions of cars. Volkswagen still offers a great driving experience, but can you trust them long-term? That's the real question. Number 14, Ford, trying to catch its future. Ford has always represented the working-class hero, tough trucks, muscle cars, and innovation. Yet, even giants stumble. Ford's build quality and reliability scores have fluctuated wildly in recent years. The F-150 remains a sales king, but software bugs, recalls, and transmission issues have haunted newer models. torn between legacy and the electric future. If they can balance both worlds, Ford might rise again. But for now, they're still finding their footing. Number 13, BMW, luxury meets fragility. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. At least, that's what their slogan says. But the reality? You'll pay a premium not just to buy one, but to keep it alive. BMWs are incredible machines, sharp handling, stunning interiors, and that pure driving joy. But after the warranty ends, they turn into a financial nightmare. It's a brand you lease, not own. Because once it's yours, so are the problems. Number 12, Mercedes-Benz, perfection under pressure. Mercedes-Benz is still the gold standard of luxury, but even gold tarnishes. While their S-Class remains unmatched in comfort and innovation, their entry-level models like the A-Class and CLA show worrying cost-cutting. Still, when you step inside a Mercedes, it whispers class and heritage. That feeling alone keeps it high on this list. Number 11, Tesla, the wild-card innovator. Tesla changed the automotive game forever. But innovation comes with growing pains. From mind-blowing acceleration to industry-leading software, Tesla is the Apple of cars. Yet, quality control? That's another story. Misaligned panels, glitchy screens, and paint issues still haunt them. Tesla may not build perfect cars, but they've built the future. And that's why they land near the middle. Chaotic genius in motion, #10, Subaru, the underdog that won hearts. Subaru's cars aren't flashy, but they're loyal. Known for symmetrical all-wheel drive and bulletproof reliability, Subaru has quietly built a reputation for dependability. Models like the Outback and Forester may not dominate drag races, but they dominate the mountains. Subaru's strength lies in knowing exactly who they are, and staying true to it. Number 9, Hyundai, the reinvention story. Once considered a cheap alternative, Hyundai is now redefining value. Their new designs are bold, futuristic, and packed with tech. Reliability? Impressive. Warranty? Best in class. The brand's comeback is one of the greatest in automotive history. Cars like the Elantra N and Ioniq 5 show Hyundai's ability to balance affordability and innovation. They've done what few brands could, earn respect. Today, Hyundai isn't budget. It's smart. Number 8, Kia, the silent revolution. Kia's transformation is stunning. A decade ago, people laughed at Kia. Now, they're laughing all the way to the bank. With bold design, strong reliability, and premium interiors, Kia's rise is unstoppable. Kia isn't trying to imitate anymore. They've become leaders in their own right. Number 7, Honda, the timeless performer. Honda's story is about consistency. Not flashy, not extreme, just reliable, efficient, and satisfying. Whether it's the Civic, Accord, or CR-V, you know exactly what you're getting. A car that just works. Their resale value is strong, their fuel efficiency unmatched, and their engineering precise. Honda doesn't chase trends, they create standards. And that's why they've earned generations of loyal fans. Number 6, Toyota, the reliability king. Toyota's reputation is legendary. When people say, reliable car, they mean Toyota. The Corolla and Camry have become global icons of dependability. If you want a car that'll outlive you, Toyota's your brand. Not the flashiest, but probably the smartest buy on this list. Number 5, Porsche, the precision master. Porsche represents perfection. Whether it's the 911 or Taycan, Porsche delivers performance without compromise. Unlike other luxury brands, their reliability scores are shockingly good. It's not cheap, but excellence never is. Porsche earns its spot because it never forgot its roots, the driver comes first. Number 4, Lexus, the luxury of reliability. Lexus combines the dependability of Toyota with the grace of luxury. Every model screams refinement, yet underneath, it's engineered to last decades. Unlike European luxury cars, Lexus doesn't rely on gimmicks, it relies on craftsmanship. The silence inside a Lexus cabin feels therapeutic. Their customer service is legendary, and their resale values remain high. Lexus isn't about showing off, it's about enjoying excellence quietly. Number 3, Mazda, the soul of driving. Mazda may not dominate headlines, but true drivers know, it's special. Their philosophy, Jinba Itai, means harmony between driver and car. You feel that in every corner. Mazda balances performance, design, and reliability beautifully. Their interiors rival luxury brands, their handling feels alive, and their pricing remains fair. It's a brand for people who still love driving. Simple, pure, and passionate. Number 2, Genesis, the new luxury king. Genesis came out of nowhere. Hyundai's luxury arm has shocked the world with cars that rival Mercedes and BMW, but at half the cost. With jaw-dropping interiors, futuristic design, and solid reliability, Genesis has redefined luxury. Models like the G80 and GV70 are proof that true craftsmanship doesn't need a century-old badge. Genesis is bold, fresh, and fearless. If they keep this momentum, they might just rewrite automotive history. Number 1, Toyota's secret weapon, Lexus and Toyota hybrid synergy. And now, the undisputed champions of the automotive world, Toyota and Lexus together. No brand combination has achieved such a perfect balance between reliability, innovation, and longevity. From the Corolla hybrid to the Lexus RX, their lineup covers every need, with bulletproof engineering. In an era where brands chase hype, Toyota and Lexus chase excellence. Quietly, steadily, and relentlessly. When all the dust settles, these two stand tall. Cars may change, but truth doesn't. At the end of the day, cars aren't just machines, they're reflections of the brands that build them. Some chase fame. Others chase perfection. But only a few earn trust. The ranking may shock you, but it reveals one truth: reliability still matters. Innovation fades, trends die, but trust lasts forever. So, before you buy your next car, remember, it's not just a brand, it's a promise. Now it's your turn. So tell me, which brand shocked you the most? Did your favorite make it to the top, or did it crash and burn? Comment below, because I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next week, we're exposing the truth about luxury SUVs that nobody's talking about. Until then, drive safe, think smart, and never let marketing fool you again.